So how does Airdrop work? If you want to send a file, video, or anything else from one iPhone to the other, how can it happen smoothly without using cellular network? Very simple. If you have an iPhone, look for the setting called Airdrop. On older iPhones, you swipe up from the bottom, you go ahead and long tap this network box, and you would see that there are multiple options here. You need to switch on Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It's okay if you are not connected to any Wi-Fi network. And then look out for airdrops. If you long press airdrops, you would see three options. You can either receive airdrops from your contacts or everyone or totally off. So I'll keep it to everyone for now. And now I'm ready to receive this photograph from this iPhone on this one. On this iPhone, again, I have switched on my Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. I'm going to click share icon over here. And you would see over here, I'm seeing a lot of options, but look for airdrop. You click airdrop and you will see the devices which are close by. Now, the thing is the device to which you need to share would be named over here, and you can see the red SE is right here. I can see the name red SE. I can click its name. Approval window comes here. I can click accept and the file is transferred. Now, if you want to edit the name by which your iPhone is seen for airdrops, you could see that it could be confusing if everyone is iPhone 12, 13, 14. So you could have a custom name. Go to general, go to about, and you see the name of your iPhone here. You could edit it and write the cool iPhone. Now, when I go and look, you see over here, the name of the iPhone has changed. I can send it to the cool iPhone now. If this was helpful to you, please subscribe to my channel. I really need it.